Hello guys, now we continue our lesson. So when you open your Binance from previous lesson, it will come up like this. You can click verify here. So today we're gonna study how to verify and set your security and two-factor authentication. So click on here or click on profiling and dashboard here. Okay, click on dashboard. Okay, click on here, profile here and identification. Okay, so select country where the country is and start verify now. Okay, select your country. So your name. Okay, your date of birth. Okay, year. This must be correct with your passport or ID card. Okay. What? Yeah. Okay, like this. And click. This must be the right name that will be the same with also with the bank or ID card or passport or driver license. And click continue. So your passcode, you can click any you want. That doesn't matter. Okay. Your email. Okay, one click in my email here. Demo Binance. Pass here. Okay, my city. Then click continue. So you can verify your account with your issue ID card, passport, travel license, any you want. If you wanna click on ID card and then click continue. So it asks you to upload to take a picture of front and back. So I recommend you to use Android or iOS to do this, because if you use this one and take front of your ID, so you need to take photo. You need to take photo, but your computer it doesn't work, so it will not clear. So I recommend you to use phone here. You can click on here and scan this to download in your phone. Yeah, and upload back also front document, and then it will done. It's easy. I done a give example for you. And then you have to set security here. Click on profile here, security. Okay, here phone number verification. Click enable. Okay, so you can set your phone number, also your country, and then you click send this, also send email. So it must be the same time, and you do very fast. If not, it will ask you to resend code again. After you can click both code, click submit, and then it will done. So you can use your Binance. That's all. Comment it below if you don't know how to do it. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for the next lesson.